Learn to write. Writing is fun. In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line. Today we will learn formation of letter M. First, we will learn the formation of small m. Put your pencil on the fence line. Come down straight, touch the grass line. Go back up, touch the fence line, and make a mountain. Come down, touch the grass line, go back up, touch the fence line. Now make a mountain, come down and touch the grass line while making a loop. Try again. Well done, kids. You did great. Now we will learn the formation of capital M. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight and touch the grass line. Now put your pencil on the skyline again, make a slant and touch the grass line. Now go back up while making a slant line and touch the skyline. Now make a straight line from the skyline to the grass line. Try again, kids. Bravo! You did great. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.